Hi, my name is Lakshman, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a Google Analytics 4 property to a site which already has got analytics installed and set up. So for example, I have a blog site here which has got the universal analytics version of the Google Analytics setup, and then it's being currently tracked with this universal analytics. So I want to upgrade to the Google Analytics 4. I just want to try how the Google Analytics 4 property is. So I'll be just taking you through the whole process along this video. So make sure before we get started you are logged into your Google Analytics account and you have all the necessary permissions to make changes. And also let me tell you that I'll be writing a detailed blog post on how to do this, so I'll leave the link in the description section, and also I'll leave the links for this support articles and documentation in the description section below, so you can refer to when you have got any confusions. So now let's get started. Once you are logged into your Google Analytics account and you are on the particular property, then go to the admin settings and look for this GA4 setup assistant at the property tab. So clicking on this will take us to this particular page where we see two options: one to create a new property, another to connect to an existing property. So this, if you have already got an existing property, GA4 property, then you can just select it from the drop down menu here and then get it connected. Or if you want to create a new one, we just need to click on this button here. Also, as you can see here, currently I haven't got any GA4 property connected to my this particular property. And then also it says I'm currently using the universal analytics property, and if I want to know more I can always click on this link which has got all the necessary links and documentations that might be helpful for me to do this. So let's click on this and it will open up this pop-up which explains what this wizard will do. It says it will create a GA4 property, and then it will copy all the basic settings that are currently being that all the basic settings that are currently is in UA currently in universal analytics property. It will copy all the settings to the new GA4 property, and also it will add and activate some enhanced measurement, and then it can also collect data using existing tags. If you don't see this option, or if you are not able to see what I'm seeing right here for a particular property, then you might need to make changes to the tag that you are using for your website. You might need to add the tag to your website. I'll be explaining that in a particular next video. So if you are on this page, just tap on create property, and then as you can see it says success, and you have successfully connected your properties, and now it said it has been connected, and then it gives me the particular detail here. And then if I tap on this button, it will take me to the property page, and it has got a lot of options over here. And then generally a lot of settings have been copied from the universal analytics settings of this particular property, and as you can see it has got GA4 appended to the property ID. So you might want to check all these settings here, and it says here this is your new property and our universal analytics property remains unchanged. This is it, how you can create a new GA4 property now. So this is the dashboard for the new GA4. So if I go back here, and then it might take a while to update this GA4 property. It might for it to fully function. So just give it a while and then you will be good to go. So let me see the real-time report here if it matches to my universal analytics. Here it says 1 on this page, and how about here? Okay, on this page, and then maybe it's getting updated. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you have got any comments, leave it in the comment section below. Have a great day.